In 1923, a loaf of bread in Germany cost $100. But here's the kicker. Just a year earlier, it was barely 50 cents. It's like the entire economy went crazy overnight. Let's go back to 1920s Germany, where people like Hyperinflation Harry, a regular guy trying to make ends meet, saw his money become almost worthless. He was living in Berlin, working as an accountant, and struggling to afford basic necessities like food and rent, which were skyrocketing. A single loaf of bread was $100, a kilogram of meat was $350, and a pint of milk was $120. But here is where it gets interesting. The German government, led by Chancellor Wilhelm Kuno, thought they could just print more money to solve the problem, not realizing it would only make things worse. And then something unexpected happened. People started using alternative currencies, like US dollars or even cigarettes, because they were more stable than the German mark. Nobody saw what came next. The economy completely collapsed, and bartering became the new norm. The twist is that inflation can be so bad it actually destroys the concept of money itself, making people rely on other forms of exchange. This historical story has a modern lesson. If you're not earning more than the rate of inflation, you're essentially getting poorer, so it's crucial to invest your money wisely, or it will lose its value over time. So, what would you do if you woke up tomorrow and your money was worth half as much as it was today? Would you be prepared, or would you be like Hyperinflation Harry, struggling to survive?